Students, today we are going to learn remaining problems on conditional identities. First problem, today's problem, if a plus b plus c equal to 90 degrees, then show that tan a into tan b plus tan b into tan c plus tan c into tan a equal to 1. Okay. So given a plus b plus c equal to 90 degrees, a plus b equal to what it will get, c will goes to this side, it is 90 minus c. Apply a plus b equal to 90 minus c, apply tan on both sides. Tan of a plus b equal to tan of 90 minus c. So what is the formula? Tan of a plus b, tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. Tan of 190 minus c means 1 into 90 minus c, 1 is the number, tan becomes cot, and it is in the first quadrant. 90 minus c means first quadrant tan is positive, therefore it is cot c. Okay, tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b equal to cot c, and cot c can be written as cot theta equal to 1 by tan theta, therefore cot c equal to what? 1 by tan c. So tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b equal to 1 by tan c. So cross multiplication. So tan c will come this side and this will goes to this side. So tan a plus tan b into tan c equal to 1 into 1 minus tan a tan b. So multiplication tan a into tan c means tan c tan a and tan b into tan c, 1 minus tan a into tan b. If this minus tan a tan b comes to LHS, it becomes plus, that is tan a plus tan b, remaining tan b into tan c, next term plus tan c into tan a equal to 1. That is the resultant equation. Okay, this is a plus b plus c equal to 190 degrees, not 180. In a triangle means we have to take 180, but here it is mentioned a plus b plus c equal to 90. I am taking a plus b equal to 90 minus c, applying tan. So tan of a plus b formula here, tan of a plus b formula, and tan of 90 minus c means cot c. Cot c means 1 by tan c, cross multiplication. Okay, cross multiplication and simplifying, we get the answer tan a plus tan a into tan b plus tan b into tan c plus tan c into tan a equal to 1. Okay. Next homework problem, here also same, a plus b plus c equal to 90 degrees, then prove that cot a plus cot b plus cot c equal to cot a into cot b into cot c. Same, here also a plus b plus c equal to 90. So a plus b equal to 90 minus c. Apply the cot. Both sides you have to apply cot. Cot of a plus b, cot of 90 minus c. Apply cot of a plus b formula LHS. Cot of 90 minus c means tan c. Tan c can be written as 1 by cot c, and simplify, cross multiplying, you get the answer. Okay. Only it LHS cot of a plus b, in RHS cot of 90 minus. Next problem. If a plus b plus c equal to 180 degrees, then prove that tan 2a plus tan 2b plus tan 2c equal to tan 2a into tan 2b into tan 2c. And second one, tan a by 2 into tan b by 2 plus tan b by 2 into tan c by 2 plus tan c by 2 into tan a by 2 equal to 1. You have to do homework this problem. I will explain second problem. Okay. Given a plus b plus c equal to 180 degrees, then we have here a by 2, b by 2, c by 2. So I am dividing total a plus b plus c by 2, that equal to 180 by 2. Both sides I am dividing with 2. So 180 by 2 means 90. I will separate this one, a by 2 plus b by 2 plus c by 2 equal to 90. Then a by 2 plus b by 2 plus c by 2 equal to 90 means a by 2 plus b by 2 equal to 90 minus c by 2. Apply tan on both sides. Tan of a by 2 plus b by 2 equal to tan of 90 minus c by 2. So it is of the form tan of a plus b tan of a plus b formula, tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b, where a equal to a by 2 and b equal to b by 2. B equal to b by 2. So substitution tan a by 2 plus tan b by 2 by 1 minus tan a by 2 into tan b by 2. Tan of 90 minus c by 2 means cot, so that is cot c by 2. And next, what is the cot c by 2? Cot c by 2 means 1 by tan c by 2, that is tan a by 2 plus tan b by 2 by 1 minus tan a by 2 into tan b by 2 equal to 1 minus tan c by 2. So cross multiplication, tan a by 2 plus tan b by 2 into tan c by 2 equal to 1 minus tan a by 2 into tan b by 2. Then simplification, multiply with here tan c by 2 into tan a by 2, tan b by 2 into tan c by 2. Next term, next remaining LHS is same. Then tan c by 2 into tan a by 2 plus tan b by 2 into tan c by 2 equal to 1 minus tan a by 2 into tan b by 2. If tan minus tan a by 2, tan b by 2 comes to LHS, then tan a by 2 plus it becomes plus tan a by 2 into tan b by 2 plus tan b by 2 into tan c by 2 plus tan c by 2 into tan a by 2 equal to 1. This is the answer. Because in the question it is given, condition is a plus b plus c equal to 180, but in the question it is a by 2, b by 2 plus c by 2, b by 2, c by 2 is given, therefore I am dividing. In the first problem 2a, 2b, 2c is there, so you have to multiply with 2. 2 into a plus b plus c equal to 2 into 180. So 2a plus 2b plus 2c equal to 360. Next step, 2a plus 2b equal to 360 minus 2c. Then apply tan. Apply the tan, you will get answer. Okay. If we multiply with 2a plus 2b plus 2c equal to 2 into 180 means 360. 2a plus 2b equal to 360 minus 2c. Apply tan and simplify, you get the answer. Okay. If you don't get, I will explain in the next class. Next problem. In any triangle ABC, prove that cos square a plus cos square 60 plus a plus cos square 60 minus a equal to 3 by 2. Okay, in any triangle ABC, capital ABC, cos square a plus cos square 60 plus a plus cos square 60 minus a equal to 3 by 2. In any triangle ABC, a plus b plus c equal to 180 degrees. So LHS cos square a plus cos square 60 plus a plus cos square 60 minus a. And here we have the formula cos square theta equal to 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. Cos square theta equal to 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. Here theta means a, here theta means 60 plus a, here theta means 60 minus a. All three terms are in the form of cos square theta equal to, we have to substitute cos 2, 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2, that is cos square a plus cos square 60 plus a cos square 60 minus a. Cos square a means 1 plus cos 2a by 2, here theta equal to a, and here 60 plus a, that is 1 plus cos 2 into 60 plus a by 2, here cos square 60 minus a, that is 1 plus cos 2 into 60 minus a by 2. In the all the terms 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2 common, 1 plus cos 2a, here 1 plus 2 into 60, 120 plus 2a plus 2 into 60, 120 minus a, 111. Next, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2 is the common, 1 plus cos 2a, and here 1 plus cos of 2 into 60, 120 plus 2a plus 1 plus cos into 120 minus 2a. 2 to multiply this, 120 minus 2a. Then this 1 by 2 as it is, 1 plus 1 plus 1, total 3, cos 2a cos 120 plus 2a plus cos 120 minus 2a. Again, these two terms, cos of a plus b, it is in the form of cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b. Cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b means 2 cos a cos b, where a equal to 120 degrees, a equal to 120 degrees, b equal to 2a. Okay, b equal to 2a. A equal to 120 degrees, b equal to 2a. That is, substitute in this, we get 1 by 2 as it is, 3 plus cos 2a, 2 into cos a means cos 120 into cos b ante cos 2a, b ante 2a. So 3 plus cos 2a, 2 into cos 120 plus cos 2a. Next step, what is the cos 120 value? Remaining terms, and cos 120 means cos of 1 into 90 plus 30. 120 can be written as 1 into 90. 1 means odd, therefore cos becomes sine, and 120 means second quadrant cos becomes negative, that is minus sine 30. Minus sine 30 means minus 1 by 2. So cos 120 value I am writing minus 1 by 2. Here 2 cancel, we get 1 by 2, 3 plus cos 2a, this is plus into minus minus, minus cos 2a. Cos 2a cancel, we get 3 only, 3 into 1 by 2, 3 by 2, that is RHS. Okay. So here, first of all, the given equation in cos square theta form. So cos square theta means we have to use the formula cos square theta equal to 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2 and write it in the form. Then again it is after this one, it is of the form cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b form. A equal to 120, b equal to 2a, that is 2 cos a cos b. And here we get 2 cos 120 into cos 2a, and we have to find out cos 120 value. Cos 120 value is minus 1 by 2. Cos 120 value is minus 1 by 2. Substitute and simplify, we get the answer. Next homework problem. Prove that sine square a plus sine square 60 plus a plus sine square 60 minus a equal to 3 by 2. Here also same, instead of cos square it is sine square. We have the formula sine square theta equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2, 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. In this cos square we have here plus 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. Sin square means 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. Remaining are same. Okay, only minus plus. Use that formula and do the homework problem. Okay. If you have, so please complete your homework problems and fair notes. If you have any doubts, please send me a message or call to me. And this completes our transformations chapter. Next class we will start in the 5th unit, next chapter, transformation, inverse trigonometric functions. Okay, thank you.